Hello, good morning students. Myself Kukraja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9th mathematics, and today's topic is Heron's formula, chapter number 12 from your textbook. Okay, so students, as per the previous lecture we are learning about the surface area and volumes, chapter number 13. Okay, in that we are learn about the values of the surface area of the surface area and volumes regarding to the cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere and cone. Okay, so students, today we have to learn about the different chapter, that is chapter number 12, and that's depend on the triangle. Okay, that's depend on the area of triangle. Okay, till that, in the till today's date, okay, we are learned about the area of triangle. Okay, we are already known about the area of triangle. First we have to write ninth maths and Heron's formula. Okay, so till this date, okay, we are learned about the area of triangle. There is how many area of triangle? Okay, there is a different kind of the formula that is depend on the area of triangle. Okay, which kind of the area of triangle you have to learn in the previous classes or in the previous sessions, that is half base into height. Okay, done, half base into height. But this formula is generally only and only regarding to the right angle triangle. Okay, that is only and only regarding to the right angle triangle. Okay, that is, this is your height and this is your base. For this triangle you have to take the area of triangle as a half base into height. Okay, now we have to learn more about the area of triangle using different type of the triangle. Okay, there is a almost 9 types of the triangle are available, that is right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, acute triangle, scalene triangle. After that there is a equilateral triangle. Okay, so there is almost 9 type of the triangle are available, depend on the side and depend on the angle. Okay, depend on the side there is a scalene triangle, depend on the side there is a type of the triangle, that is scalene triangle, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. And depend on the angle there is also 3 type of the triangle are available, that is right angle triangle, after that acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so students, this formula you have to learn in the previous classes of the area of triangle. We must to write 2 new formula for the area of triangle. Okay, that is area of triangle is also root 3 by 4 side square. Okay, root 3 by 4 side square. For what kind of the triangle? For we have to take this area, we have to take for equilateral triangle. For the equilateral triangle there is a 3 sides are equal. Okay, for equilateral triangle okay, for the equilateral triangle we have to take area of triangle as a root 3 by 4 side square. And for the right angle triangle, we have to take area of triangle as a half base into height. Okay, But if there is a not kind of equilateral triangle or any kind of the right angle triangle, assume that there is a scalene triangle. In that there is almost all sides of the triangle are different. So for that, which type of the area we have to use, which type of the formula for the area we have to use? We have to use area of triangle. For that, that is in square root s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Okay, this area of triangle is known as the Heron's formula. This is the Heron's formula. Because of the it's invented by Heron, that's why we have to take a name that is as a Heron's formula. For any kind of the triangle, any one of the triangle, we have to use s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c as per the area of triangle. Okay, so in this session, okay, from this session we have to learn about the chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Okay, to learn about the how to find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now in the Heron's formula there is a triangle we have to draw. Here is the triangle ABC. Okay, we have to take naming of triangle as a, as a b and as a c. Side of triangle, there is a three different kind of the sides of triangle, and we have to name as a b c as a side. Okay, so for that we have to first find semi perimeter. Okay, first of all we have to find the semi perimeter. Semi perimeter, that is means half perimeter, that is means half perimeter. So for that we have to write a plus b plus c divided by 2. Why we have to write s divided by 2? Because we want semi perimeter, half perimeter. Okay, perimeter, that is a plus b plus c, sum of the all side. Okay, but we have to want semi perimeter, that is half of the perimeter. Okay, so that's why we have to write a plus b plus c divided by 2. Now we have to call semi perimeter as a s. Okay, now we have to denote semi perimeter as a s. Okay, so what is the area formula? That is area of triangle, that is equal to in square root s, that is means semi perimeter, into s minus a, that is s minus a, that is from the semi perimeter subtract first side, after that s minus b, that is subtract semi perimeter from the subtract second side from the semi perimeter. Okay, and multiply s minus c, that is subtract third side from the semi perimeter. Okay, and after you have to multiply all of these numbers and find the square root of that. Okay, students, you must to know about the square root of numbers, so you have to find easily area of triangle. Okay, so students, let's start to doing the first example. Okay, find the area of triangle whose sides are 13, 14 and 15. Okay, here we have to take one example, that is find area of triangle whose sides are 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. Okay, So let's start to doing this sum. So as per this sum, first of all we have to want the semi-perimeter. Okay. So for semi-perimeter S, we have to add 13 plus 14 plus 15 and divide by that 2. So 13 plus 14 plus 15, that is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 plus 1 4 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, that is 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. For area, my formula is, we have to write it here, that is area of triangle is equal to, in square root, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So in square root, semi perimeter, that is 21, 21 minus a, that is 13, 21 minus b, that is 14, and 21 minus c, that is 15. Now calculate that 21 into 21 minus 13, that is 7 plus 1 8, into 21 minus 14, that is 6 plus 1 5, sorry 6 plus 1 7, and 21 minus 15, that is 5 plus 1 6 into 6. Okay, after that we have to find square root of these numbers. So for that, easy method, that is factorize it. Okay, easy one method, that is factorize these numbers. So we have to factorize 21 as a 7 3s are 21. We have to factorize 8 as a 4 2s are 8, and write 7 as it is. And now we have to factorize 6 as a 3 2s are 6. Now we must to know about that whenever we have to find this square root of any kind of number, we have to take common from that. Okay, we have to take common from that, pair of common numbers from that. Okay, so here 2 are in the one pair, so we have to write as a 1 in common. We have to take 3, pair of 3. Okay, so we have to write 3 as a common. Square root of 4, that is 2. Okay, and 7 and 7 are in the pair, so we have to write as a 7. So what is my answer? That is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 98. Sorry, 12 7s are 84. Okay, 12 7s are 84 centimeter square. So your answer is 84 centimeter square for the area of this triangle. Okay, this type of these sums we have to done in this chapter. Okay, so these sums are very easy. Okay, and you have to just find the area of the triangle for that. Okay, clear? Note down fast. Okay, here's my question from the textbook, that is, find the area of triangle whose sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm and perimeter is 32. Here is the two sides, that is 8 cm and 11 cm are given. Find area of triangle whose sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter are given, and also perimeter that is 34 centimeter as a given. Okay, and also perimeter is as a that 34 centimeter is 32, that's not a 34, 32 times 32 centimeter is given. Okay, so you have to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so first of all we want three sides of the triangle. Okay, you know that we want three sides of triangle. Okay, as per the Heron's formula. So first of all we have to find the third side from the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter of triangle is that is a plus b plus c. Okay, that is perimeter of triangle, that is 32. A, one of the side is given as 8, b as a second side is given as 11. Find third side. So 34, therefore 32 equal to 8 plus 11, 19 plus c. So therefore 32 minus 19 equal to c. We have two 19 shifted to second side. Okay, so therefore c, that is third side of triangle, that is 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9, that is 3. Okay, and 2 minus 1, 1, that is 13 centimeter. Okay, that is 13 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle. Okay, now we have to find the area of triangle. So for the area of triangle, first of all we have to find the semi perimeter S, that is semi perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2. Here my a plus b plus c, that is my perimeter. Okay, sum of the all the sides, that is my perimeter, and perimeter is also given as a 32. So without wasting time, I'll write as a 32 as a plus b plus c. Okay, now 32 by 2, that is my 16 centimeter by my semi perimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So in square root, that is s is given as 16, a is 8, then 16 minus 8, 16 minus second side is given as 11, then 16 minus 11, and third side is given as we have to find that, or we have already find it, that 13 centimeter. So 16 minus 13. Okay, so now we have to calculate that 16 into 16 minus 8, that is 8, 16 minus 11, that is 5, and 16 minus 13, 13, that is 3. Okay, now we have to find the square root of these numbers. So first of all convert its factor into the factors. Okay, so square root of 16, that we know that I'll write as 4. Okay, whole of the 16, that is 4. Now square root of 8, that is 4 into 2 into 5 into 3. So therefore 4 in square root, we know that square root of 4, that is 2. So we have to write 2 into 4 at here. Now we have to multiply 2 extra with the 4, because we must to know that square root of 4 is a 2. So I'll write 2 into 4. Remaining number, that is 2 into 5 into 3. So as per we know that we want the pair of the numbers, so we have to take from common. Okay, here there is not any kind of the pair with the 5, 3 or 2. Okay, so we have to write as it is. So 4 2s are 8, and my in square root, that is 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30. So 8 root 30 centimeter square is your answer. 8 root 30 centimeter square. That is your answer. Okay, clear? Note down this fast. Here my another question that is related to your textbook. Okay, here my isosceles triangle are given and with their perimeter. My isosceles triangle is like this. Okay, in isosceles triangle we must to know that there is a two sides are equal and also given that is perimeter. Its perimeter is given as a 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. There is a two sides are equal and each of the equal side that is given as a 12 centimeter. That means that sides which are equal, okay, the measurement is 12 centimeter of each and we don't have to measurement of third side. So from finding the third side we have to use perimeter to find the measurement of third side as per the previous session. Okay, previous question, sorry. So first of all we have to find the third side, because without the third side we don't have to we can't find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. So perimeter of triangle, that is a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c. So perimeter is given as 30, two equal side given as a 12 plus 12 and third side is not given. So 30 minus 12 plus 12, 24 equal to c. So your third side is 30 minus 24, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, your third side is given as a 6 centimeter. Okay, so for that first of all we have to find the semi perimeter of that. Okay, so semi perimeter S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, so a plus b plus c, that is the perimeter of the triangle and perimeter of triangle is also given as a 30. So without wasting any time we have to put direct 30 as a plus b plus c and divide by 2 with it. So 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter your semi perimeter. 15 centimeter, that is your semi perimeter. Okay, so now we have to calculate the area of this question. Okay, okay, as per we know that area of triangle, that is a plus b plus c. Okay, that is area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a s minus b. So area of triangle is equal to in square root s minus a s minus b and s minus c. Okay, so what is my semi perimeter? That is 15. 15 minus first side, that is 12. 15 minus second side is also 12 and 15 minus third side that we got, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so 15 minus 6. So in square root 15 into 15 minus 12, that is 3. 15 minus 12 is also 3 and 15 minus 6, that is 9. Okay, so now we know that the square root of 9, that is 3. So take out as 3 as it is. There is a pair of 3 is given, so for that we have to take also one of them 3 and there is a 15. So factors of 15 is 3 into 5. So there is not any kind of pair that formed at here. So we write 3 3 is a 9 and root 15 as it is centimeter square. So your area of the triangle, that is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Okay, clear students? So please notify, please write fast. Clear? Now we have to discuss about the homework, and I'll give you some sums. Okay, for the homework, please write fast as I write. Okay, so first of the question, that is find the area of triangle whose sides are respectively. Question for the homework, that is one of them is find the area of triangle whose sides are respectively that is 150 centimeter, 120 centimeter and 200 centimeter. 150 centimeter, 120 centimeter and 200 centimeter. Okay, clear? 150 centimeter, 120 centimeter and 200 centimeter. Okay, so for that your answer will be, so please note down the answer also with them. So your answer must be, that is 8966.56. 8966.56 centimeter square. Here is my answer in the point, okay, decimal point. So if I assume that there is also answer given in your square root, okay, so if there is a answer given in square root, so don't have to find the in decimal point. Okay, so write as it is in the square root if you got the answer in the square root for this question. Okay, so second question, that is find the area of triangle whose sides are 9, 12 and 15 centimeter. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So for this your answer will be 54 centimeter square. Okay, so for this question your answer must be, that is 54 centimeter square. Okay, and now third one is find the area of triangle whose two sides of which 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Find the area of triangle whose two sides are given, whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and its perimeter perimeter of triangle that is given, and the perimeter of triangle is 42 centimeter. So find the area of this triangle. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? That is, your answer must be, that is 21 root 11 centimeter square. For this question your answer must be 21 root 11 centimeter square. Okay, clear students? I hope you have to clear this session. Okay, you have to clear all these things that I teach you, and you have to enjoy all these things with me. Okay, so students, till then, goodbye and stay blessed.